Welcome everybody. I'm Daniel Kraft, CEO of Sitrion, and today I'm here with Jerry Canaday from MasterCard. So Jerry, welcome to have you here.
Thank you.
Tell me a bit, what was life before you had a global platform in place, and how is life now?
Before, our power collaboration tool was email, and that was used pretty much across the board as your global collaboration platform. We had pockets of other siloed, tools. I think now we have a tool that whether you're in Singapore, whether you're in Dublin, whether you're in St. Louis, whether you're anywhere around the globe, you can actually use the same set of tools and the same set of capabilities.
So I heard from Susan that you built all of this in just 14 months.
Yeah.
And it sounded so easy. So help me a little bit to understand behind the scene what has happened.
Total chaos. I mean, it really was. We went with the big bang approach. So we built a SharePoint platform, which was going to be our intranet and our collaboration and community, focused services, as well as our enterprise social, platform all at once, and we deployed everything all at once. So trying to make sure that you take a look from a bigger picture to make sure everything aligns, that was probably the hard part. But at the end of the day, it's all about passionate people that are putting together services that is going to succeed. And I think that's really what put us over the edge.
I mean, I remember when we met the first time, it was pretty much at the beginning of that 14-month cycle. And today you're here as a poster child of a customer, even winning awards with your infrastructure. Must feel really nice now after seeing this all happening.
Yeah, I'll say we're in a much better state. We've proven out that what we were doing aligned with what we needed to do from the mentality of our end user base. And our motto has always been listen to the customer base and react to what the customers really want, because that will gain you that trust and transparency that is so important in showing success as you move along.
You said that you have the foundation in place now, that you had success with it. What's the next applications you're going to offer on top of that so people really make this their workplace?
Business processes. Today it's really about the engagement, the conversation, and the global reach. And I think tomorrow it's going to be about the conversation turning into a process that you can, all of a sudden have a single platform and the ease of use and the user experience. Mobile. The word mobile comes up and it means something different to everyone. But really, from our perspective, it's delivering services on any device at any time.
So what can we do to help you to be more successful? I mean, you're on a great journey. Are there any questions you have that can impact the path you're taking?
Yeah, I think that there's two main aspects for us that we have to have you partner with us and continuously innovate to help us succeed in our vision. Mobile is such a huge deal for us. Once we figure out the foundational level from a mobile perspective that we're going to address, we have to figure out how to deliver the services in a mobile arena. Second piece is continuously think about your services and your products in an enterprise fashion.
That really aligns with the thinking we have here at Sitrion. So the whole mobile world is something that we feel super passionate about. For the first time, we feel like we really have a handle on this that goes beyond just being mobile, but also providing the platform, the infrastructure to empower you to be truly mobile. And the enterprise readiness, I mean, you're challenging us all the time to deliver enterprise-ready solutions. So I'm glad that you're recognizing that we're going there and that this is really helpful for you.
Mm-hmm.
So if you're looking at the next big step, so you have the foundation, now you're going into the next step with the processes being part of it, you're going into the mobile world. Help me a little bit to understand how you experienced the journey yourself going through that. Has that changed your perception of how work is done? I mean, the goal is to make work better. Do you feel we all together made work better for you? For you, Jerry?
Absolutely. You can't be a technologist alone. You have to understand businesses, how they work, why they work that way, and how they want to work. And I think I call it the user personas. If you don't get out there and you don't have those conversations and understand the questions you need to ask, how are you going to be able to deliver services that provide value? You got to put the focus on the business and align the technology to support the business problems and objectives that you have.
That is a very, very nice summary, Jerry, to say that the technologists need to go out there and be with the people. It really summarizes the mentality we have, and it's glad that we can learn from you, to be out there and meet the individuals and learn from them. I'm really excited that you had some time for us to have that conversation, and looking forward to see the next 12 to 14 months and have you again here and learn from you how you achieve this.
Great. Thanks for having me.
Thank you.